What you cooking, Roch?
Whatcha, cooking, Roch.
What you got going on up in the kitchen, Roch? You got some collard greens, some black-eyed peas, fried chicken.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roch. Alright? So, for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. Alright? So, you already know by the thumbnail. We're getting ready to make some garlic, salt, and pepper wings. Alright? So, let's get started. So, let's get started with these ingredients, alright? So, because you know it's not going to cook itself, alright? So, guys, you see we got some chicken wings that have already been cut and with the drumlet and the flat. I don't know about y'all, but the flats is my favorite. Alright, this recipe is really simple, alright? So all you need is, of course, you know, because we're making garlic, salt, and pepper. It's buffalo wings, or I'm sorry, chicken wings, alright? So I have seasonings that I like. So this is one particular seasoning that I'm going to be using. This roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. So basically, you pretty much, you want to have a garlic salt. Alright, so you can use whatever you like. And I also have a garlic salt with parsley. So, like I said, you can kind of flex it, flip it the way you want to. But this particular recipe, because we're making garlic salt and pepper wings. Alright, so we're going to put this over our chicken wings. Alright, and so we're going to have our flour, because with this recipe, I'm going to be frying my chicken wings. Alright, now you certainly can bake them if you like. You can use that old fancy air fryer, which I can't understand. I've never had one, but anybody that be front and top on Facebook and all these Instagrams, you know, happy about their air fryer, and then next thing you know, I don't hear nothing else about them using it again. Okay, so that's pretty funny. But like I said, so I have my flour, and then I'm also added some cornstarch. Now, depending on how many wings you got, you know, you yield it the way you want to. So with my flour here, I have 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of cornstarch, all right? And that's going to help give it that crispiness. So you just want to whisk that all together, all right, like so, all right? All right. So we're going to put that to the side, okay? And again, here we go with our wings, all right? Now, we're going to season it with our seasonings here, all right? Now, I want to also say, you want to pat dry your wings. You know, you want to take much as moisture out as you want to, because you're going to be cooking them naked, alright? So you don't want to be putting these up into this hot oil, and then it'll be popping in the hoods, and it'll be popping everywhere, and be burning you, popping on everything, okay? So just make sure you pat dry them, alright? So I'll be right back, because we're going to get these seasoned up, and I'll see y'all then, okay? Alright, y'all. So now we're going to get these seasoned, okay? Now, you certainly can season this, put the seasoning on, and let it marinate for a few hours, you know? I actually thought about doing that. Alright, so you just kind of give everyone a generous coat on there, okay? Then you just kind of want to mix it up real good, alright? Oh, that smells good. I love the seasoning. You can find that online. I'll put it in the description. You can actually buy this particular seasoning online. But I like to get out and find some seasonings and online. And believe it or not, Burlington's has a little food aisle, and it has some pretty good seasoning. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit more on there. I took my gloves off there. Put a little bit more on there, alright? Now, get my gloves. I'll be right back. Alright, I had to get some more gloves on, okay, y'all? Alright, so meanwhile, like my grease is cooking, alright? So, I'm going to add a little fresh ground pepper on here as well, too. So you want to add a little pepper on there, too, alright? Now, if you don't have fresh ground pepper, that's cool, you know. You don't need to have fresh ground pepper on there. I got, you know, ground pepper already. Not fresh, but it just kind of sticks to the meat, alright? The chicken stuff. Depends on the chicken, you know what I'm saying. Alright, so you want to get that generous coat. Alright, so we're just going to stir that up again. Alright. Now, I'm actually going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, okay? Because I want the flavors to get through the meat. And then, ain't nothing wrong with sampling and tasting your meat. I mean, you ain't gonna die. I don't think you're gonna get salmonella just because you lick your fingers a little bit, you know, to taste what your meat tastes like. You got to know what it's tasting like. That's what I keep telling folks. How you know what it tastes like? You know, you're putting all that seasoning on it. Same thing with the flour. Taste your flour. Taste your cornmeal when you're making catfish or fish or whatever. The real cooks know that. Alright. Okay, y'all. So, like I said, I'm going to let that sit for a minute. About 15 minutes. And then we're going to get this chicken fried up. Alright? I'll see y'all then. Alright, y'all. So, you already know. These wings ain't gonna cook themselves, okay? So let's get started. Now it's important now to make sure your grease is not overheated, okay? Like I've said in other videos when I'm be frying, you know, you don't want that popping everywhere. So I got me a thermometer in there. I might say, oh, you know thermometer? Yes, you do. So we want to get it at least at 375, 350, okay? Because it'll burn, right? So look, see, it's getting up, it's getting there. See, you want to see 380. So we'll turn it down a little bit. Of course, when you put the wings in there, it's gonna cool it down, alright? So we're gonna be good. Since I know what I'm doing, I can go ahead and do this. But for you guys that are beginners, I want y'all to take y'all time, okay? So we're just gonna put that in there like so. Give it a nice little coating. Alright, now you don't want to crowd the pan, your pot either, alright? These wings is kind of big. Matter of fact, I'm a little disappointed in these wings. I got them at Walmart. And first I was getting ready to go to Sam's Club and get them because that's where I see the Tyson brand. But I was in the barbershop today. The barber was talking about, oh, you get them at Walmart, they're a little cheaper, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, all right, well, you know, cool. I happened to go over there and I grabbed the bag. I swear, some of them wings in this bag look like they freezer burnt, but alright, we're gonna work it out. Alright. I should have just went on my first mind and went over to Sam's Club. Alright, so you see what we're doing there? Now again, this flour has cornstarch in it. Cornstarch gives it an extra crispiness, alright? And I also have some flour. Now, I seasoned my flour just a little bit. You can certainly do that if you want or not. Alright? That's what I do. Alright? So we're going to put a couple in there like so. Get that a little jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Now you want to cook that for about at least 4 minutes until done. Now we like ours a little crispier, so we're going to get it a little crispy, okay? Alright, y'all. Get ready to put this second batch up in there, okay? So, and I know earlier I said, you know, you have to let them cook 3-4 minutes, but basically it really depends on what side, how big your wings are, okay? Like I said, we like ours a little crispy, okay? So, you know, I would hope you would like yours a little crispy too, or done. You don't you be out there serving nobody no raw wings, alright? so it might go a little bit longer than 3 to 4 minutes, or 4 minutes, you know, or 5 minutes, you know? Alright, so I got in that second batch. Now the first couple of wings that I took out, they look pretty good. And what we're doing here is with them, once I get them all onto the tray, you're going to put a little bit of that garlic salt with parsley on top of it, alright? Like that. So I like that particular brand. They got little granules of garlic in it, alright? But you don't want to overdo it, okay? But that's what we're doing. Alright, so we will be right back. Okay, y'all, my wings are ready. Alright, now it takes a little bit of time, you know, just get them cooked. And so we're going to drench them, we're going to coat them with a little more seasoning, salt and seasoning on there. Now, you want to sprinkle that on there like so. Sprinkle some on some earlier ones because you kind of want to do it while it's hot. Alright, so the flavor, so that it seeps in. And I'm telling you, I had me a little sample, boy, and these mothers is good. Alright, so, now, I got a Parmesan garlic wing sauce, okay? And this actually comes from Wingstop. This is a Wingstop recipe, but I used a Walmart brand, which is just the same because I tried them both and they both taste the same. All right, so I'm gonna drizzle some of this over half of the wings, and then the others I'm just gonna leave the way they are. All right, so let's do that. All right, y'all, my wings is ready. Now, this is a great appetizer to switch on just the traditional buffalo wings, all right? So I recommend that you guys try this, all right? Now, like I told you, I use that Parmesan garlic wing sauce, and it got a little kick to it. I didn't realize it was that kick. That kick was nice on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little sample, and let's see what's all about, all right? I have no doubt in my mind it's gonna be pretty good. How you doing? Alright, now you would think that garlic sauce will make it a little salty, but like I was saying in the beginning, you know, just taste the food, you know, as you cook it. This is perfect. This is right on point. Give it enough bite. Dip it in that little sauce a little bit. Alright, y'all. So there you have it. You got your. Let me just take that little wing out. I don't want to be putting it all up in the camera. Oh, we almost lost him. Right, y'all. But y'all see what I'm talking about, alright? So, it's Saturday. I'm getting ready to go ahead and chill out and kick it for a little bit. And then, y'all know, until next time, what you cooking, Roch. Alright? I'll see y'all later.